Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Which nuts are healthiest? Nuts are among the best sources of plant-based proteins. According to a 2017 review study Trusted Source, a diet rich in nuts may help prevent risk factors, such as inflammation, for some chronic diseases. In this video, we will tell you about 6 healthiest nuts, protein and other benefits. Number 1. Pistachios. Pistachios contain plenty of protein and other vital nutrients. They are also a source of healthful fatty acids and antioxidants. The popular green nut is technically a seed of the pistachio tree. But people generally view it as a nut due to its appearance and feel. Pistachios has a beneficial effect on blood pressure and endothelial function, which may lead to a reduced risk of heart-related health issues. Number 2. Almonds. Almonds have become increasingly popular in recent years, and they are now readily available in many places. They contain slightly less protein than peanuts, but make up for it with other nutrients. Almonds may be the perfect snack for people who are looking for a healthful, protein-rich alternative to potato chips or pretzels. Number 3. Peanuts. Eating peanuts is an excellent way for people to boost the amount of protein in their diet. Peanuts are widely available, and provide several essential nutrients. Although peanuts are technically a legume, which means that they belong to a group of foods from a specific plant family, most people consider them as a nut. Peanuts contain Trusted Source a range of polyphenols, antioxidants, flavonoids, and amino acids. Research has shown all of these components to be beneficial to human health. Number 4. Walnuts. Walnuts are higher in calories than some other nuts despite being lower in carbohydrates than many of them. The high calorie count is due to the very high fat content. However, the fats in walnuts are predominantly PUFAs, which may offer several health benefits. While walnuts are known for their healthful fat content, they are a good source of protein and other nutrients as well. Number 5. Cashews. Cashews have a creamy texture that makes them a great addition to many dishes and snacks. 100 grams of cashews contains 553 calories and the following nutrients: protein, 18.22 grams, fat, 43.85 grams, carbohydrate, 30.19 grams, fiber, 3.30 grams, sugar, 5.91 grams. Number 6. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts have a distinctive flavor that makes them a favorite in sweet foods. Hazelnuts contain less protein than other nuts, but may make up for it with other health benefits. 100 grams of hazelnuts contains 628 calories as well as the following: protein, 14.95 grams, fat, 60.75 grams, carbohydrate, 16.70 grams, fiber, 9.7 grams, sugar, 4.34 grams. This protein and fat content makes hazelnuts more similar to walnuts than to other types of nut. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.